About to let go. Tell me where your heart lies, can you let me? Overwhelmed when the let go green, everything things. Touch from hearts to some heaven wings, heavenly.
Got some sad news, unfortunately. You know what they say, all good things have to come to an end. And this will be my last video. Yo, what's going on, people? Welcome back to week 4, episode 4 of the weekly series. Today we've got a song I wrote a while ago. It's something easier to sing because my throat's still recovering from last week being sick. So we're going to record this, see how it goes, and hopefully it sounds alright.
She gon' break hearts just to feel a little life. I can't pretend like she never messed with mine.
So with this bridge section, I want a vocal down the middle, and one fully pan to the left and one fully pan to the right.
Like she never messed with mine. A couple of DMs, I thought I blocked you, I swear. A couple more DMs because I left you on red. Not breaking our deal and don't wanna break what I have. Let's mention less man, how about we live this or that?
Alright, now for the hook.
Let's mention less man, how about we live this or that? I know I couldn't be there for you or when you asked. Remember the things I said when I saw you last. I'm keeping my promises and ain't going back, no. Find another hand to hold, whoa. I couldn't be there for you or when you asked. I cannot turn back on what occurred in the past. I would be lying if I said I ain't feel bad, no. Had your chance, now it's gone, whoa.
We'll do a couple more over that and then comp it to create the best take.
Whoa.
I'm starting to sweat. Alright, so we got that. I think next we'll do a higher octave.
If this or that, I know I couldn't be there for you or when you asked. Remember the things I said when I saw you last. I'm keeping my hand to hold, whoa.
We need something in that gap. Just like an ad-lib or something.
I know, find another hand to hold, whoa. I couldn't be there for you or when you asked. I cannot turn right.
Need like a harmony bit here. The second part of the chorus.
I cannot turn back on what occurred in the past. I would be lying if I said I ain't feel bad, no. Had your chance, now it's gone, whoa.
Woo! Come on now. Oh, I've got an idea for something. Alright, I'd say that's about done. I comped all the vocals, cleaned them all up, trimmed them all down, added an intro and outro with a reverse reverb, which sounds like this. I think it sounds cool. Yeah, this is just something I whipped up real quick. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. This is When You Asked.
Crazy.
She cold and alone in the summertime. A fractured soul on the pole, just trying to get by. She gon' break hearts just to feel a little life. I can't pretend like she never messed with mine. A couple of DMs, I thought I blocked you, I swear. A couple more DMs because I left you on red. Not breaking our deal and don't wanna break what I have. Let's mention less man, how about we live this or that? I know I couldn't be there for you or when you asked. Remember the things I said when I saw you last. I'm keeping my promises and ain't going back, no. Find another hand to hold, whoa. I couldn't be there for you or when you asked. I cannot turn back on what occurred in the past. I would be lying if I said I ain't feel bad, no. Had your chance, now it's gone, whoa. Let's mention less man, how about we live this or that? I know I couldn't be there for you or when you asked. Remember the things I said when I saw you last. I'm keeping my promises and ain't going back, no. Find another hand to hold, whoa. couldn't be there for you or when you asked. I cannot turn back on what occurred in the past. I would be lying if I said I didn't feel bad, no. Had your chance, now it's gone, whoa.
Yep, there we have it. I think it's okay. I just cooked it up real quick, just trying to get back into the roller things. If you want to hear the whole thing, obviously comment down below. Now we're going to go back to Thursday, where I recorded a segment of me breaking down a beat I made. Let's cut to that. Alright people, Thursday night, I'm going to cover this beat I made. I think it was Monday night or Tuesday night. Yep, to start things off, we got a loop from Hey Rick, fire producer. Really chill little, I don't know how to describe it, it's kind of like, I don't know, it's really just chill. And then obviously I make a bunch of Leroy type beats, so, and it reminded me of Leroy's latest song, Hatred, so I went for that kind of vibe. So we've got that playing for a while, and then I ended up transposing it down 2 semitones, as you can see over here. And then that sounded like this, where I'll play it from the first sample into the transposed bit. Just down 2 semitones. And I also added murder melodies onto it. I think just for a little lo-fi and a bit of modulation and slithered it out a bit. We've got the same thing, I've just added EQ and Portal to it, which is, it's just doing the high ends, and it's like a stutter effect or something. Then we got the drums. First we've got an 808. We got a hi-hat pattern. We got a snare. And then we've got a kick. And then we've also got an open hat. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll listen from part 1 into the transition into part 2. And here's what that all sounds like. Let me know what you think in the comments. It's called Hatred on my YouTube channel. Someone hop on this beat, spit some bars. I want to hear people rap to this. Yo, what's going on people? Today is Sunday. You guys have been showing a lot of love recently in the latest videos. So I'm going to start taking the channel a lot more serious now. And now that I'm going to be taking the channel more seriously, I believe it's time that I now evolved. By the time this video gets out, it'll be the last day of prodSiKBAY. Yep, RIP, which is actually a good thing because that name was awful. So from now on, my artist name, my producer name, my engineering name, my YouTube channel name is now Bailey. B-A!L-E-Y. Yes, that is right, ladies and gentlemen. The rebuild has commenced and the journey has begun. I've got some big things planned for the channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for what's to come. Anyway, let's check out a demo. Alright, I've picked out a demo and we're gonna check it out. This track's called Murder.
you just have been getting away with murder. And I'm not sure of how much further I can go before it takes a toll. I can go before it makes me fold. It's always a good time with you, but your heart's cold. Always running back when I'm about to let go. Tell me where your heart lies, can you let me? 4 AM, you calling, are you drunk right now? Didn't even need to ask, I hear you slurring out loud. Called to see if I was up, you wanna pull him right now. I don't know if it's the liquor or you talking right now. But hey, after every time we kick it, all goes great. The end is slowly fades when we don't talk for days. And I see them other people on your pages. Weeks go by and then you run right back to me. Safe place. What's up with these mind games? You can't stay in one place. Don't lie and say it's a mistake when you know it's recurring. You know exactly what you're doing. You've been, I'm not sure how, but you just have been getting away with my always running back when I'm about to let go. Tell me where your heart lies, can you let me? Overwhelmed when the light go green, everything thing. Touch from hearts to some heaven wings, heaven lately. Pull aside up on top of me, murder CC. Got it loud in the river stream, got you singing, sing. My feelings became a little too strong, shawty. And I can stand the feeling of a long shawty. I'll be fighting for your love and your touch, shawty. No lie, I'm just keeping it a buck, shawty. I really do enjoy the times we shared, it's always a good time. You've been giving me these mixed signs, yeah. Well done, you playing with my mind. Well done, you got me blind. If it's over, then that's fine. You've been, I'm not sure how, but you just have been getting away with murder. And I'm not sure of how much further I can go before it takes a toll. I can go before it makes me fold. It's always a good time with you, but your heart's cold. Always running back when I'm about to let go. Tell me where your heart lies, can you let me know?